Hi Year 10. Today I'm going to be going through section 5, which says I can expand brackets and simplify using the laws of indices. Now these two things on Higgins's Maths Eclipse 163 and 174. Obviously this is just algebra. Now this one, again, just because of the kind of like these sort of highlighted topics being put in place, this one is actually question 4 on the second booklet. So remember, you split into two booklets here. The first few topics, that one, vectors, questions, stuff like that, those are the highlighted ones. So we're starting from a little bit further back. We're starting from this page. Hi everyone, Vision, and we're looking at question 4 on there. Okay. Now, question 4a is your expanding brackets one. Okay. Now remember, when you've got double brackets like that, what you're going to do is use either FOIL or the grid method. Okay, they both give you the exact same answer. They both actually do the same thing as well, but they're just different ways of looking at it. I'm going to use FOIL because that's the way I was always taught, the way I always think of it. So the first thing to do is your first, which is C and 2C. So we're going to times C by 2C. That's going to give me 2C squared. Then we're going to times C by minus 5. That's your outers, the outermost things, which is going to give you minus 5C. Then you're going to times your inners, which are 3 and 2C, which are going to give you plus 6C. Then you're going to times your lasts, which are 3 and minus 5, which is minus 15. Okay? Then you need to simplify it. So that is the expansion. You've expanded all the terms out, we now need to simplify it. Now only the two terms in the middle are like terms. So C squared and C is not the same thing. Okay, I can't group them together. But these two both have a C on them, so I can group them together. Minus 5, add 6, 5 baddies, 6 goodies, 5 negatives, 6 positives. Positives are going to win by 1. So that's going to give you 2C squared plus 1C minus 15. Okay, and that's your 2 marks. Right, part B on here actually isn't what you're going to be asked about on part B. Okay, it's going to be a question like this. So I'm going to make up this question. This is the indice one. Okay, so let's say we've got 5a to the 4 times 3a to the minus 1. Okay, oops, you could see that, wouldn't you? Yeah, ignore that question, just copy this down. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm going to do one on the left hand side here. I'm going to show you it, and then I'd like you to have a go at this one, please. So the way that we do this is we do 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, you've got an integer of 5 times an integer of 3. It's going to give you an integer of 15. And then we look at the powers with the letters. A to the 4 times a to the 1. Now when we're multiplying things with powers, we add the powers together. 4 add minus 1 is 3. So that becomes 15a to the 3. Right, so using that, can you have a go at this one? Okay, what you should have been doing there was 6 times 2 to give you 12. A to the 5 times a to the minus 2 will give you a to the 3. There. Okay, and that's it.